We are from Colorado. We're going back to Wyoming, and we are at the... No, we are in Cheyenne right now. My wife, she's going to put gas. And here's my daughter. It's been a 24-hour driving since last night. We went to the airport, and I am going to tell you something very interesting today. I'll be back. This is Cheyenne. A lot of big trucks. Beautiful sunset. Look at that. Did you get some chicken or pizza? Oh, Caden's loves pizza. Okay, I'm sorry it's so noisy here. The wind is too loud. I hope you can hear me when I speak. Is that right, Cadence? Yes. Yes. So, makikita nyo yung mga trucks, ayan o, sa lakas po ng hangin halos bumabalandra sila. Actually maraming kaso na ganyan, tumataob yung mga truck dyan, kaya it's very risky. Talagang ganyan ang Wyoming, almost every day yan ang dinadaanan ng mga tao dito. Yeah. And dito sa highway, lahat halos kasabay mo sa daan, puro ganyan, puro malalaking truck. Look at them, puro ganyan. Tapos makikita mo yung napakalawak na Wyoming na walang nakatira. Here in Wyoming, the most breezy or windy part is between Chugwater and what city? Wheatland. Yes, that's the most the risky part. If you risky area if you travel from Wyoming to Colorado. Yeah, and a lot of trucks are flipping. Last Sunday, hundreds of cars were 140 cars na tumaob last Sunday dito. Hindi naman tumaob, pero na-disgrasya. Ibang daan yun because we're here in I-25. Sa I-80 yun, 140 ang na-disgrasya last Sunday because of slick or snow. Kapag sinabi pong slick, yan yung madulas na daan dahil yung snow natunaw, nalusaw, tapos biglang lumamig yung panahon, naging ice yung tubig, kaya slick. Yan, nagkaganda, dulas-dulas yung mga sasakyan. Okay, here's the most interesting topics. I've been to the airport last night, and here's what I observed. There were only a few people in the airport last night, maybe because of that COVID, is it COVID? COVID-19, formerly coronavirus. Yeah, I think the people are now afraid to go anywhere, to travel anywhere. So there were only few people at the airport last night. Unlike before, the airport was too busy. But last night it was spacious. Only a few people were there. This morning we went to a Asian store. We went to an Asian store to buy our stuff, and again I noticed there were only few people who were there. So it is so alarming. Maybe here's what I've observed in that store. A lot of people were panic buying. They're buying plenty of rice. Some of them are taking more than 5 sacks of rice, but the store owner is only limiting 2 bags of rice for every customers, and that's so alarming because the rice is very limited now. So as of now, we took 4 bags of rice. We bought 4 bags of rice for some reason, you know. Normally, if I go back to Wyoming, I put 4 bags of rice in my car because of the wind. It's a strong wind, so I need to put heavy stuff in my car. So yeah, that's my secret, because of that strong wind. I don't want my car to flip. Yeah, that's yeah. Sorry about my English. I'm not a good English speaker. But by the way, in Colorado, there is no reports yet about coronavirus or the COVID-19. So there's no cases about COVID-19 virus in there. And here in Wyoming, there's no cases of COVID virus too. So all I can say, Wyoming is very safe as of now. But our neighboring states like Nebraska, oh my God, how many people were reported?
13 cases.
13 cases of COVID-19 virus in Nebraska. And by the way, nakalimutan kong sabihin na ang California pala, kamakailan lang nag-declare ng state of emergency. Ang mga tao doon nagpa-panic buying. Yeah, in San Francisco, nagpa-panic buying yung mga tao. Hindi malayong mangyari na magkakaubusan yan ng bilihin. Mga bilihin dito nagmumula din lang naman sa Asia, like China, like yung mask nga wala nang mabili kasi ang gumagawa ng mask China. Saan ka bibili ng mask ngayon? Kaya yung mga hospital hindi malayong mangyari, maubusan din ng mask siguro kung hindi masusolusyonan yung COVID-19 na yan. Pero sana masolusyonan na, sana matapos na yan because it's so alarming. Ang may papayo ko sa inyo, huwag kayong manonood ng kung ano-ano mga nakakatakot para hindi kayo mag-isip ng negatibo. Huwag muna kayong manood ng Resident Evil Part 1, 2, and 3. Kaya ako nanood na nun, kaya minsan kung ano-anong naisip ko. Baka mamaya sa kapapanood natin ng mga ganyan kung ano-anong mga conspiracy ang papasok sa isipan natin. Lalo na yung mga conspiracy, minsan akala mo totoo yung mga sinasabi. Mga madaling mapaniwala ng conspiracy, mga religions. Ako, kaya ina-advisean ko kayo mga tao sa church, huwag kayong masyadong nakikinig sa conspiracy. O kung makinig man kayo, huwag niyong paniwalaan yan basta-basta. Kasi conspiracy nga haka-haka lang yan. Hindi nyo alam yung conspiracy yan ang nagpapagulo. Ha? Tandaan nyo yan. Yung conspiracy nagpapagulo yan. Gawain ng yan. Minsan hindi ko na sabihin. Basta yun na. Yan, hirap mag-isip ng sasabihin. Hindi ko mapagdugtong-dugtong yung sinasabi ko kasi at the same time nagda-drive ako at nakikipagbuno ang braso ako sa manibilang ito. Sa totoo lang, hirap kontrolin kasi tinatangay kami ng hangin. Ayan, ang ingay, naririnig nyo naman ang ingay. Ganyan kalakas ang hangin almost every day. Pero pasensya na. Tuwing winter naman yan. Tuwing winter, malakas ang hangin. Pero kahit hindi winter kapag sinumpong yan. Kasi this is Wyoming. Yeah, katulad ko, Pilipino ako. Pero hindi naman ako mukhang Pilipino. Ayon sa iba. Mukha naman daw akong Koreano. Ayan. Koreano na nadali na rin sila ng COVID-19. So, minsan sa mga pinupuntahan kong store, tinatanong nila kung taga saan ako. Sinasabi ko sila, Pilipino na ako. Minsan, nakakaduda, baka pinag-iisipan din ako na Chinese ako or whatever. Hindi ko naman kamukha si ang pangalan si Machili. Kaya si ang pangalan nun, Daminsi. Malayo naman kamukha ko yun. Diba? Tingnan nyo, lahat ng angkulo ko, may Wachili at Daminsi dyan. Daming sugat, mga bakas ng sugat yan, marami. Naalarma ko kasi ayoko itong nangyayaring ito dahil ayoko na lahat ay naapektuhan. Masasabi ko lang, this is not the time of pointing fingers. Wala nang sisiyan, nandyan na yan. Mag-ingat na lang po tayo at magkaisa, gano'n na lang yan. Kasi nababalitaan ko sa ibang mga states, meron nang nangyayari na discrimination. Kapag nakita kang Asian, i-discriminate ka because of that virus. Dahil ang akala nila, porque Asian people ka is ikaw na nagdala ng virus sa bansang ito. But hindi nila naunawaan. Katulad ko, I've been in the US for 12 years now. And I'm already a citizen. Well, my heart is already here. My home is already here. Lahat ay nandito na. Mapalat naman ako dahil sa Wyoming ako napadpad. So far, Wyoming, there are good people there. The residents are good people. Everybody's loving me. My employers are loving me. Yes, they are good people. Yes, I can tell you that 100%. I can guarantee you that the people in Wyoming are good.